This video will explore Python, covering what it is and why it has become so popular in the world of programming. Python is a high-level programming language that is interpreted, meaning it is not compiled before execution. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Today, Python is the #1 most loved programming language with unlimited uses. Python's syntax is intentionally designed to be easy to read and simple to write, closely resembling the English language. This simplifies the coding process significantly. Traditional programming languages like C++, Java, and assembly are complicated. C++ requires complex syntax and manual memory management. Java uses verbose code and has a strict type system. Assembly is extremely difficult and hardware-specific. The core problem is that traditional languages are too complex for modern needs across various professional roles, like data scientists, web developers, analysts, and automators. Python provides a solution with its clean syntax that reads like English, making it beginner-friendly. It is powerful and expert-ready, making it a truly versatile, multi-purpose language. As an interpreted language, Python bypasses the traditional compilation step. The Python interpreter converts the .py file into bytecode, which is then executed by the Python virtual machine, or PVM. This offers fast development but slower execution. Python boasts an enormous standard library, with thousands of built-in modules ready to use, covering functions for files, web, math, dates, and more. The Python Package Index, or PyPI, offers over 500,000 third-party packages, providing endless ready-made solutions. Installation is straightforward with a single pip install command. Python is a leader in data science and AI, supporting machine learning with tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and data analysis with Pandas and NumPy. It is used by major organizations, including Google, Netflix, NASA, and OpenAI. It is also a web development powerhouse, offering frameworks like the full-featured Django and the lightweight Flask microframework. These power major websites such as Instagram, Spotify, Dropbox, and Reddit. Python excels in automation and scripting, making repetitive tasks disappear across various domains. It is used in system administration, business automation like Excel, and web scraping for data extraction. Python can be seen as the ultimate Swiss Army knife for developers. It is a single, practical, and easy-to-use tool ready for many jobs across different disciplines. In summary, you should choose Python because of its low learning curve, incredible versatility, huge community support, cross-platform compatibility, high demand in the job market, and fast development capabilities. Python offers excellent career opportunities. The average salary in the US market is $120,000, and it is ranked as the second most wanted language. Jobs are growing fast in fields like data science, ML engineering, and back-end development. With Python, you can build a variety of things, including websites, web apps, data analysis and visualization tools, AI and machine learning models, automation scripts, games, graphics, and desktop applications. In a nutshell, Python is powerful, beginner-friendly, and an essential part of modern technology. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment below.